Hey there, today I am taking a look at the Dell Alienware 610m mouse. This is my honest review. This should be a really quick video. Let's get started. Not a whole lot in the box with this one. You get the mouse itself, some product information, and the mouse cable. You also get this adapter here, which changes the micro USB cable into a regular USB. You don't need this adapter to use the mouse, so I'm not sure why this is included. I did quite like the packaging that came with the mouse. The box looks pretty cool. As you can see from the box, this mouse can be used in both wired or wireless mode. The DPI is adjustable up to 16,000. The battery life on this mouse in wireless mode can last up to 350 hours. There are two different color options for this mouse. This color that I have is called Lunar Light, and the other color option is called Dark Side of the Moon. It's a pretty decent length, this cable that comes with the mouse, and it's a good thing that it is because the way this cable connects to the mouse is fairly unique. You might not be able to fit a replacement cable in, so you're stuck with this cable. The left click and right click buttons on this mouse are pretty long. They do go back quite a bit further than what is on a typical mouse. You do have the standard scroll wheel here. Unfortunately, the grip on this scroll wheel is less than ideal. It's not as grippy as on other mice. The scroll wheel still works fine, but it's just less grippy than normal, which could make it a little bit harder to scroll up and down. Often with the DPI button on mouses like this, you press the button once to cycle through different DPI settings, but this button actually takes it one step further. If you push this button down, it will increase the sensitivity of the mouse, and if you pull the button up, it will decrease the sensitivity. I really like this feature because it decreases the time that it takes for you to get to your preferred setting. This mouse is pretty simple. There are two extra programmable buttons here on the left side of the mouse, and you'll find some indented markings on each side of the mouse. This adds to the styling and also helps with grip. The mouse is pretty ergonomic and comfortable to hold. In terms of RGB, you have one light strip at the top over here. You get the Alienware skull at the rear of the mouse, and there are two light strips on either side, here and here. Flipping the mouse over, you will find two smooth raised plastic sections. This will help the mouse glide along. The mouse sensor in the middle here, it doesn't light up any particular color, and you'll find two switches on each side of the mouse sensor. This switch over here will change the sensitivity of the mouse scroll wheel. There are two different sensitivity options, and this button activates or deactivates the wireless mode. Also at the back of the mouse, you'll find a section where you can store the wireless dongle. This is a great feature, and the dongle easily clicks in and out of this space as needed. The dongle itself has got 610m written on it, which would help you to work out what it was if you just found this dongle randomly. This mouse, it's not too light, and the materials look and feel high quality. I guess whether you like the style of this mouse does come down to personal preference, but I really like the way this mouse looks, especially in the lunar white color scheme. The RGB can be customized, and this is done in an application called Alienware Command Center. This software, it does work, but unfortunately it's really clunky and unintuitive. Other brands like Legion, Corsair, and Logitech have much superior software to this. Using this software, you can set different color themes for different games. You can also set up custom macros using the two programmable buttons on the left hand side. In the end, you can pretty much do anything that you'd want to with this software. It's just not executed very well. Now let me show you what the mouse clicks sound like. Overall, I do quite like how versatile this mouse is. I like the fact that you can use this in both wired or wireless mode. Even if your wireless battery goes flat, you can still just plug in the mouse and keep using it as normal. So the main positives for this mouse are, it looks and feels good, It's versatile and customizable, and it feels comfortable in your hand. The negatives for this mouse are the scroll wheel is less grippy than normal, and the software that is used to customize this device is less than optimal. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope that review was helpful. If you want to check out some more gaming mouse reviews, I'll pop those on the screen right now. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.